very good at talking, so don't be surprised if I don't talk much. But anyway, this is the pond, which I'm sure that if you've seen my other video, you'd already know that. Not really much around here. Front door. And a tree. Very beautiful tree. I don't step on any thorns or anything out here. There's tons of cactuses. There's a thorn. Those things are pretty pokey. And there went a lizard. And a bunny. Grapes aren't ready yet. These are grapes, by the way. Not ripe yet. Bama. Hey, Bama. Hey, Bama. What you doing, girl? What you doing? Figs. We get tons of them, and they pretty much grow back like crabgrass. We're pretty much getting tired of eating figs. We just gave up on picking them all. So now we're just letting them rot. This camera doesn't have much battery power in it left, so don't be surprised if it's gonna be a bit of a short video. Bama! Come on! Ouch! Kubota. Fun to drive. Bama thinks I'm going riding. She's getting excited. Sorry, Bama, I'm not going riding. Yep. That's about it. Inside. Yes, I've been playing the Super Nintendo because it's fun to play. My favorite, Illusion of Gaia. kitchen.
Thanks, guys. Lap 82, which means the top two cars, Tony Stewart and Carl Edwards, should be coming on the pit road sometime in the next 7 to 9 laps. Remember,
You're on
pickers,
TV.
who came on the pit road, Ruderman and Mark Martin, can run at least 10 more.
Get. Hey. Hey, you stop that. Ah! That's mine! No, you can't have it. That's not yours. That's not yours.
Never buy a used car without
No, it's not.
vehicle history report. Ask your dealer or go to Carfax.com.
No kidding.
The 70s car, they want their land back.
She's so cute. You can't help but love her, even if she does attack my arms.
Starting at $6.99. It's a brand new Tuesday.
At the Turtle Wax Ice Ultimate Detailing Challenge, it was no contest. Turtle Wax Ice car polish. It goes on fast with no effort. And unlike conventional car waxes, there's no white residue to wipe off. And when it comes to trim, seams, plastic, and rubber, no problem.
Kitty! No!
Turtle Wax Ice car polish. Welcome to the Ice Age. It's the ultimate detailing system from the world's leader in car care. Turtle Wax Ice.
Computer room.
To help us understand the importance of teamwork, please welcome Jeff Burton.
Hey guys, out there, you're only as good as your pit crew, and you gotta have support, like Holiday Inn.
Will Holiday Inn change my tires?
No, but they do have free high-speed internet and meeting space.
Do they make a pajama version of your driving suit?
Has your helmet ever gotten stuck on your head? How do you have a mullet?
Hey Jeff, my bed was just like your car.
That's about it.
Holiday Inn.
Monday, the day 73% of paper jams occur. So you press the tab and check tray 3, but nothing's there. But soon, Mondays will mean Monday Night
This
Football on ESPN.
is my room,
Paper jams make
but I don't really want you to see it right now because it's a mess. Me.
His car had gone suddenly loose, and then about a lap ago he said, I think I may have a tire coming apart, or at least going down, so crew brought him in just a little early, but they should be able to make it to the end of the race on this stop. He's the first to pit, I believe.
Yeah, it looks like he's going to make it to the end, so that's not going to hurt him too much. If the caution doesn't come out, he's right down right there. The leader did like him running into the pit.
Ow!
On lap 45, Carl Edwards lap 44. Andy, you're working the calculator pretty hard up here. What do you think? Can they go 2, 3, 4 more? Yeah, that's about it. They can go a few more laps there, and they have to come in. They're going to get very tired. One thing that's going to happen right here is these guys are going to run so much faster than the other guys that are on the racetrack that it might force the hand of some of those guys that did make that pit stop and can go farther to come in a little early. And we see Jason Knight right here, Jason Westberg and Kelly Myers, two guys that we haven't talked much about today, but are doing a terrific job. They've battled, they've been in the top 10, and just had a really great race back in there amongst themselves. But this is really good for these guys to run this well on this type of race.
Speaking of young drivers, here's Cale Gill.
Jockey's one of the cars that stayed out earlier, so they definitely need to come down the pit road now. Bruce has been the active work for this race car most of the day. They're going to make an air pressure adjustment for Cale. Ernie Cope on the pit box this week. Another Truck Series crew chief for KHI, getting a turn at running this program for this week. Next week it'll be Rich Red again. So running through all of the people